Okay, so this is a small little rant, right? So, we're at work. We're coming to pick up a van. This dude says, alright, we have to go get the part still. 20 minutes to go get the part, 20 minutes to put it on. He goes, after that, he says that, he goes, so it'll be done for you in about 30 minutes. First of all, fucking, I don't know where that math came from, but that's kind of fucked up. So, we've waited, how long has it been?
2 hours.
2 hours.
Because we got here at 8, right?
Yeah, we got here at 8. So it's been 2 hours. Still not done. We're looking at it. It's not even off the lift yet. So I don't know when this is gonna be done, but this is why we fix everything ourselves. Because fucking things take so long. This car's been in the shop for 4 days.
It was supposed to be done at 8.
Yeah. My dad got a call and he said it was done Friday. Oh, they're putting it back up on the lift.
Oh my god. Sorry, the strut seems to have had some problems.
We ordered the wrong strut.
Oh my god.
This is why you do your own work. Like, it was literally just struts. Like, we could have done this ourselves.
Strut.
A strut. Yeah, a single strut. Took 4 days. We could have done this ourselves over the weekend, probably in a day, and had it done.
Definitely in like an hour and a half.
Yeah. So the time it took for us waiting here for them, we probably could have it done already. Could have got the part.
Could have had the
Put it
job
on.
done that we were supposed to do today.
Yeah. We're supposed to be on the job site right now. But instead, we're getting paid to sit here. And like the first 20 minutes, it was like, yeah, cool. You get paid to do nothing, right? And then after that, it became like, I don't know. Just so incredibly boring. So incredibly boring. And I thought we were getting close. Like, I made this video because I was like, wow, man, this is crazy. This is like a video. Well, apparently, it's probably going to get worse because it went back up on the lift. At this point, if he comes out with some more bullshit, I'm just going to say, give me the part, and me and Cameron will put it on. Because fuck it. And yeah. So that's how our day is going today. It's fucking wonderful. We're getting paid to sit here and do nothing. And I have no clue what we're doing for today now because all the plans got messed up. So, yeah. This is why you do your own work. I'm not going to mention the place because they're a pretty big place. I mean, they got 10 bay doors. Pretty big place. And they've pumped out like 3 or 4 cars since we've been here. I mean, probably just for oil changes and small shit, but still, just a strut. Or a shock. Like, that's insane. So this is how our day's going. Hopefully it doesn't take too long because we've drank all our coffee. And
I'm about to run over to that gas station.
That might be a good idea. But this is a video of saying we might die out here. Resources are running low. Water's minuscule. This is all we got. Yeah, we're fucked. So this might be our last vlog. So by the time the strut gets in, I'll probably have a full fucking family, have a retirement plan and everything made. So yeah, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And this shit is not happening to you. So, have a good one. Hopefully there'll be no crazy updates like, oh, we broke the van. So, yeah, have a good one, guys.